People quit tobacco for all kinds of reasons. They'd like to be healthier. They'd like to quit for their family. They want to stop spending money on tobacco so they can use it for something else. And many are tired of starting the day craving a cigarette. Why do you want to quit? Tell one of our Quit Coaches. Every coach is a trained expert in helping people like you quit tobacco. A coach will help you set a date to quit and help you get ready. Create a plan to quit that fits your lifestyle. Give you tips to fight cravings and triggers. Encourage you every step of the way. You might even be eligible for free nicotine patches and gum to help overcome cravings. The Maryland Tobacco Quit Line is here when you need us and is free to all Maryland residents 13 and older. Take our readiness quiz at www.smokingstopshere.com. The Maryland Tobacco Quit Line has helped thousands of Maryland residents on their journey to quit. Are you ready to quit? Call 1-800-QUIT-NOW or visit www.smokingstopshere.com to enroll today.